today? I am fine, thank you. I am drinking my cup of tea. Tea with milk and sugar. Who likes to eat the sugar? Johnny. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ah, ah, ah. Naughty Johnny eating the sugar. We have to eat and drink. We have to give our pets something to eat. This is my pet fish. We feed our pet animals. We give them food. Food. Food to eat. Animals who live with us are pet animals. This is my pet fish. My milk is finished. My milk jug is empty. There are animals who help us. They are domestic animals. Let's go and look for the animals who help us. Come. Let's go and look for some domestic animals. Domestic animals help us. Come. Look, this is a cow. A cow gives us milk. The cow is a domestic animal. The cow is big. It can eat grass and it makes milk for us. Look, the man is taking the milk from the cow. The cow gives us milk. What color is the milk? White. We can drink the milk. The man is taking milk from the cow. The cow gives us milk. What does the cow give us? The cow gives us milk. Look! This is a goat. This is a goat. A goat is a domestic animal. A goat gives us milk. A goat lives on a farm. This is a goat. A goat is a domestic animal. It gives us milk. Hello, goat. Look! This is a horse. This is a horse. A horse is a domestic animal. A horse is big. A horse is strong. It can carry heavy things. It can carry people and wood and lots of heavy things. This is a horse. A horse can carry heavy things. The horse is strong. The horse does not give us milk. The horse is big. Hello, horsey. Look! This is an ox. This is an ox. The ox is big. The ox is strong. The ox can carry heavy loads. This is an ox. The ox is a domestic animal. Look! This is a pig. This is a pig. A pig lives in the mud. The pig is a domestic animal. The pig gives us meat. This is a pig. This is a pig. A pig is a domestic animal. Look! This is a sheep. This is a sheep. The sheep is a domestic animal. The sheep gives us wool. The sheep likes to eat grass. This is a sheep. The sheep is a domestic animal. Look! This is a duck. This is a duck. The duck is a domestic animal. The duck gives us eggs. The duck likes the water. This is a duck. Look! This is a camel. A camel is a big animal. The camel is strong. It can carry loads. This is a camel. This is a camel. Look! This is a hen. This is a hen. The hen gives us eggs. The hen is a domestic animal. The hen does not give us milk. The hen gives us eggs. Look, here is one egg. Look, 2 eggs. The hen gives us eggs. The hen is a domestic animal. The hen helps us. This is a cow. This is a goat. This is a horse. This is an ox. This is a camel. This is a pig. This is a sheep. This is a duck. This is a hen. We saw lots of domestic animals. They can give us milk, give us eggs, and carry heavy loads. Domestic animals help us. Goodbye, children. Goodbye. Who gives us milk? A cow gives us milk. A goat gives us milk. Who helps carry heavy loads? A camel helps carry heavy loads. A horse helps carry heavy loads. And an ox helps carry heavy loads. Who gives us eggs? A hen gives us eggs. A duck gives us eggs. Who gives us wool? A sheep gives us wool.